The buzz in the air is electric because today, we're diving into the official reveal of Nothing Phone 3. From cutting-edge features to jaw-dropping design updates, there's so much to unpack. So, let's get started. The Nothing Phone 3 is one of the most anticipated launches in recent memory, and it's easy to see why. Renowned for their unique and bold designs, Nothing has redefined what a smartphone can be. With the leaks, teasers, and even whispers from top tipsters, the excitement has reached fever pitch. Let's kick things off with the display. Rumor has it, the standard model will feature a 6.5-inch screen perfectly balancing usability with immersive viewing. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, this size hits the sweet spot. And powering this beauty is none other than Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Built on a 4nm process, it promises lightning-fast speeds and energy efficiency, making it a significant leap forward for Nothing's flagship devices. But that's not all. A Pro variant might be joining the lineup with an impressive 6.7-inch screen. It's rumored to house MediaTek's Dimensity 9040 processor, built on an advanced 3nm process. This means faster performance, longer battery life, and a seamless experience for gamers, streamers, and multitaskers. Design enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. The Nothing Phone 3 retains its signature transparent aesthetic, but with refined updates. The glyph lights have been streamlined into 7 functional elements, including a flash glyph for photography, notification indicators, and even a recorder light. Its style meets utility. The camera system gets a massive upgrade too. Say hello to a triple camera set with main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. A bold step forward for Nothing. This setup promises professional-grade photography to rival even the best flagship phones. Wireless charging remains a core feature, with the coil elegantly centered on the back. And there's more, an additional side button. Imagine having customizable shortcuts to enhance your productivity and convenience. Adding fuel to the excitement, teasers and database leaks have revealed model numbers A059 and A059P, hinting at two distinct versions. And in a recent promo video, eagle-eyed fans spotted a glimpse of the Nothing Phone 3 alongside other upcoming products. So, when can we expect this masterpiece? CEO Carl Pei has hinted at a 2025 release, pushing back earlier expectations of mid-2024. Pricing: around $599 for the standard model and $699 for the Pro variant. Considering the features, these prices could be game changers. What do you think about the Nothing Phone 3? Which feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates in the world of tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.